I have a full trailer, so it's time to hit the scrapyard and get paid. Here we are, guys. We gotta wait for the green light to pull off the scale. Hey look, the dog's back here trying to get paid too. Green light.
Morning, buddy.
Hey man.
You got a hell of a load, hell yeah.
Heck yeah.
We're going to have you pull up right here, and we'll get you turned back around your passenger side of the Chevy.
Gotcha.
Appreciate you, sir.
Watch me whip this. Do it. Oh, you guys are gonna help me today? This is straight out of the 50s.
I know.
It actually dropped off the back of my trailer when I first picked it up. I had to go pick it up off the side of the road by myself. It's super heavy. Woo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. That's why it fell off the top, because the lid's really heavy.
That lid ain't no joke.
Bro, I've never had help throwing my scrap before. That's awesome.
Really?
Yeah. Dang.
So if you want to pull up, we can probably get the knife.
Okay. I had to lay him down because this deck won't let stuff slide on it. Some what?
There's a Pam stick on there.
Yeah, man. Damn.
Oh yeah, brother.
Sweet, man. Appreciate you, man.
Absolutely. Have a good day, man.
You too. We gotta loop back around and hit the scale again so they can get the empty weight. The light is taking so long today. Why you do this to me? There you are. Now we gotta walk inside to get paid. What's up? I know. How you been?
Good, honey. How you?
Wonderful.
Love hearing that.
I just got this truck. I haven't got a new plate yet.
6560, is that the new plate? Or?
No, that's not even mine yet. I haven't switched it over. It's still in the guy's name that I got the truck from.
It's alright till the cops get you.
Yeah, right. I'm hoping the guy ain't got no warrants.
That would suck.
That was all unclean.
Yeah.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we'll see you again.
Yeah, you too. I'll see you next time. We got paid, baby. Yeah. $165 a ton. We had just over a ton, so we made $168. That's extra money that I get on top of already being paid to remove the items. Have you ever been to a recycling plant? Let me know in the comments.